Who loves spending time on repetitive tasks? Nobody. You didn't pass the bar to spend up to 20% of your week manually entering information into the same legal documents over and over again. But what's a lawyer to do? 2 words: document automation. It's software that helps you assemble legal documents more quickly and easily. How does it work? You tag the information in your existing documents that changes for each client and matter. Then, thanks to automation, you're able to populate new information with a couple of clicks. Every subsequent use saves you time and helps avoid potential errors. And with more advanced features, you can create entire packets of documents in a fraction of the time. Does it replace me? No. Programmable documents can't help clients or share legal expertise. They can't even talk. It's a tool that helps you work smarter. Does it work remotely? Yep. Cloud-based software means you can easily generate legal documents and send for e-signature from anywhere with an internet connection on Mac or PC. So what's the secret thousands of legal professionals are already using to save time and their sanity? It's Lawyaw, easy-to-use document automation designed to help you focus on what matters. Gain more clients, build your practice, be home for dinner, or whatever you like. Documents and knowledge are the foundation of legal services, but that doesn't mean the old find and replace method in your existing Word documents is the only way to work. So, if you see other firms taking more vacation days or taking on more clients, don't get mad. Get Lawyaw, legal document automation that's affordable, easy to use, improves efficiency, and puts time back in your day. Ready to learn more? Schedule a demo with one of our product experts today.